Okay, so in our previous video, we got stuck that a number, if a number has to end or to precede with something, the number can be denoted with hash in the custom format dialog box. Now, what will be? I mean, what needs to be given if it is not a number and if it is a text string? Well, it will be at the rate. So let me show it to you guys. So select this range of cell and press Ctrl 1, go to this custom, and from general here select Mr. and then after that just simply give at the rate and press enter. Yeah, Mr. Rice, Mr. Wheat, though that is not proper. So imagine a scenario in which you have entered some name like Ashish, Anirban, Vivek, Roger. Now you, after your manager suddenly says that at the beginning of the name you now you need to put Mr. in front of it. So it will be a tedious job after entering a value to again re-edit and enter the Mr. So what you can do is that you can simply select those range of cells and go to the custom cell dialog box, and this is the control 1 for the format cell dialog box, and under custom you can enclose within quotation anything which you want to print. So I want to print Mr. It can be anything else. So anything which I want to print will be enclosed within double quote followed by the at the rate if it is a string or text, and if it is a number, so if it is a number, it will be a hash. Press Ctrl 1, go to custom. Maybe I want to precede this thing with, so maybe gram. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be pressing hash followed by within quotation gram. Close the braces and press enter. Yeah, rate 45 grams, something like this. Though the data is not proper, but I hope I am being able to demonstrate the previous hint rate or the previous thing which I got stuck, that what the symbol needs to be given. If it is not a number for hash, if it is a string, what will be the, I mean, in the format cell dialog box custom, what we need to provide, it will be at the rate. Thank you guys and happy coding.